propaganda ng House, no? Yung certain personality ng House na sinasabi nila na dahil hindi nakakuha ng TRO, mananalo na sila o matatalo na yung petitioners. One thing for certain is that inakasagot sila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi immediately dinismiss yung petition na final ni Atty. Torion et al. At ni VP Sara. Bagkus, gusto malaman ng Korte Suprema ano yung sagot ng House of Representatives, especially yung House Committee on Justice. Now, you must remember na yung naunang petition na final ni Atty. Torion at ni VP Sara separately laban sa unang impeachment complaint na final, no, na final against the Vice President, wala ring TRO at injunction. In fact, they continued with the proceeding at dumating pa nga sa Senado, no, na pinahod lang ng Senado. So, ultimately, even without the TRO and injunction, ultimately, the Supreme Court decided against the House of Representatives. At sinabing ipatigil, no, yung proceeding kasi it went against the Constitution and they have to wait for another year. No? So, history on this particular issue of impeachment kay VP Sara tells us that even without a TRO or an injunction, which is part of the prayer of the petition, the Supreme Court could entertain the issues presently submitted, and the Supreme Court pwede mag-desisyon either way. Either i-affirm yung challenge ng petition, or it is also possible na sasabihin nila na i-deny ang petition. So, yung nakikita natin, no, ng mga arguments in social media na nagsasabi na in order ng Supreme Court na bigyan ng due process yung respondent o si VP Sara, yan yung hiningi raw ni VP Sara. Bakit ngayon, na gusto na nilang bigyan ng due process at pinapasagot at magkakaroon sila ng mini trial, bakit raw kinokontra na naman ni VP Sara at ng mga abogado na katulad ni Atty. Torion, Atty. Hinlo, Atty. Vic Rodriguez, Atty. Ginny Bondok. No? So, yung sagot dyan is this. Yung tinatawag nating due process na question dati na hindi na nasabi ng Korte Suprema, hindi nang nabigyan ng pagkakataon si VP Sara ng due process, dahil nagdesisyon based on a one-third vote kaagad, ang House of Representatives, nagbotohan sila kaagad. At may challenge pa nga doon na, basta ba yan? Na ang main records, nabigyan nyo ba ng kopya si VP Sara bago nyo to inakyat sa Senado? Binigyan nyo ba ng pagkakataon na sagutin ni VP Sara yung inakyat nyo na impeachment complaint sa Senado? Challenge at sa Korte Suprema, bago nyo iakyat sa Senado, bigyan nyo ng due process. So what does it mean na bigyan ng due process? Bigyan ng pagkakataon na sagutin ni VP Sara, ma-inform siya, ano yung complaint sa kanya. Now, isa yan sa ground na bakit nanalo si VP Sara. No? Sa ngayon, binigyan ng pagkakataon si VP Sara na sagutin. No? Yung House, kasi merong impeachment complaint initiated by private individuals. For example, this was elevated, no, to the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives. At yung Committee on Justice, pinasagot si VP Sara. Sinagot niya naman. Ito yung sagot ko. Dapat it ends there. So, i-determine lang ng House of Representatives kung substantial in form and substance yung complaint at kung nabigyan ng pagkakataon si VP Sara na sumagot at sa tingin nila substantial may compliance of substance. Dapat ng House of Representatives is to endorse it to the Senate for trial.